The 2010 Genesis, the perfect example of Hyundai engineers in action. With 333 pound-feet of torque and 375 horses champing at the bit, the Hyundai Genesis 4.6 has surprised more than a few venerable luxury cars off the line. That's because its V8 TOW engine helps propel the stately Genesis sedan from 0 to 60 in a jaw-dropping 5.3 seconds. The Hyundai Genesis interior is spacious, comfortable. It's also overflowing with the latest mind-easing technologies, including available XM nav traffic and a backup warning system that helps you pull into even the tightest of parking spots. Throughout, you'll find an unprecedented level of polish in everything from the stylish leather seating surfaces and leather-wrapped dashboard. In the Hyundai Genesis, safety functions at 3 different levels: avoidance, engineering, and protection, all geared towards keeping you safe. The 2010 Hyundai Genesis. Meet you at the finish line.
At Mile One Motor World Hyundai, you'll find the selection and value you'd expect and the customer service you deserve in 3 easy steps. Browse, research, buy. Right from our website or stop by our location today. Mile One Motor World Hyundai. We're conveniently located at 150 Motor World Drive in Wilkes-Barre. Mile1.com. Everything automotive.